Hi everyone, my name is Gabby. I'm a product consultant from ESL Engineering Software Labs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the app Supermatch. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the marketplace, and in the search box you'll type in Supermatch. Now I already have it installed on my Monday account, so let's get to it. Wait a second, I have a question. Why do we need Supermatch if we already have Monday.com's match? Well, I'll tell you why. I type in the search box Supermatch and I click on the application. We can see that the Supermatch has way more trigger options than the native Monday match. For example, button click, or when status changes to something. And in addition, we can match more than one column to another. We can match 2 or even 3 columns. We also have complex configuration. In this recipe, we'll look at this logic. And we can decide what we want to happen in the connect boards column. We can connect the first item we found, maybe connect a few items. Should we do overriding or maybe just add them to the present board? Last but not least, we have the operator. Now, do we want all the columns to answer all the criteria or maybe just one column? Now I'm going to show you a simple example of how we can use the Supermatch. We have here a few boards. Now I want to find the rate that is suitable for the right report and connect it to the connect boards of that reporting, which is person, type, and project name. We'll go to integrations, and in the search box we'll type Supermatch. I'm going to show you how this recipe works. I'll scroll down and I'll click on this recipe. Now the board I will assign is rates. Column 1 I'll assign to person, and column 1 person as well. Column 2 type. Column 2 I'll assign type as well. Column 3 project name. I'll assign column 3 to projects. 2 I'll assign connect boards to rates. The logic is overriding new matched item, and our operator will be end. I'll create this automation. We'll close this window and we'll go to Project Alpha. We'll type in a new item, a new initiation. We'll call it Conduct Risk Assessment. The person will assign to Gabriella. The date will be today. Type office. Actual effort 3. Planned effort 6. Because we've created the automation up front, it will create for us an item in the reporting board. It will extract the info we filled in the item, including the person, type, and the name of the board, which is Project Alpha, to the project name column. And done. As you can see now, the automation is running. Now we'll go back to the board reporting, and a new item has appeared. You can see that the item Gabby is connected to the item Conduct Risk Assessment. So how did this happen? Let's go back to the board rates. Now, from all the items that we have in active employees, Gabby answers all the criterias. I'm linked to the person, projects, and type. So the application does the Supermatch and creates a new item in reports. And that's how the magic happens. Happy matching, everyone.